Assalamu alaikum viewers. Hope you're safe and sound. Today we are going to discuss about 15 English proverbs along with Urdu meaning. So let's get started. Self done is well done. If you want to be satisfied with the work, you should do it yourself. आप काज महाकाज. Out of the frying pan into the fire. Said, when you move from a bad or difficult situation to one that is worse. आसमान से गिरा खजूर में अटका. It is no use crying or spit milk. No good to get upset about something that has already happened. Used to emphasize that this is not helpful. अब पछताए क्या हो जब चिड़िया चुग गई खेत. The thief pretends the constable means the culprit himself, but the blame is on the other's head. उल्टा चोर कोतवाल को डांटे. A blind man is no judge of colors. If a person does not have knowledge on a subject matter, then he is not the correct person to take any suggestion, a solution, etc. अंधा क्या जाने बसंत की बहार. A post and 100 candidates. एक अनार 100 बीमार. All are not saints that go to church. It means that all people who go to church are not necessarily holy people. बगल में चोरी मुंह में रामना. From a bad paymaster, get what you can. This means that even if you get a small benefit, get it. बात पे चोर की लंगूटी ही सही. Let sleeping dogs lie. To warn somebody that they should not talk about a bad situation that most people have forgotten about. सोते शोर को कभी मत जगाओ. No rose without a thorn. Every apparently desirable situation has its share of trouble or difficulty. जहाँ फूल वहाँ कांटा. Diamond cuts diamond. A situation in which two equally cunning or devious people spar or interact. लोहे को लोहा काटता है. A poor man's voice is never heard against the rich, meaning no one listens to the cry of the poor. निकाह खाने में दूध की आवाज कौन सुनता है? A little knowledge is a dangerous thing. A little knowledge misleads people into thinking they can manage more than they actually can. नीम हकीम खतरा जान या नीम मुल्ला खतरा ईमान. Honey is not for an ass's mouth. Used to say when a person makes an order that does not allow him to be stingy. ये मुंह और मसूर की दाल. He knows 1 point more than the devil. Used to say that it is better to deal with a difficult person or situation one knows than with a new person or situation that could be worse. वो शैतान के कान कतरता है. Hope you have learned something from this video. If yes, then like and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe this channel as it is your own channel. Thanks. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.